Hey everyone, today let's talk about something really important. What you need to know if you've been injured in an accident, specifically in the Bridgeport, Connecticut area. It's a situation nobody ever wants to be in, but, being prepared can make all the difference in the world.
All right, let's just dive right in. If you've recently been in an accident, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The immediate aftermath is just chaos, right? It's so overwhelming. Your mind's racing, you're probably in pain, and you have to make decisions, and you have to make them fast.
Look, the first thing on your mind is, of course, your health, getting better. But then, almost right away, this next wave of stress just hits you, and it's all about the cost. Those medical bills can start piling up before you've even had a chance to process what happened.
And on top of that, if you can't work because of your injury, your paycheck just stops. That adds a huge layer of financial pressure right when you're supposed to be focusing on one thing and one thing only: healing.
And as if all that wasn't enough, your phone starts ringing off the hook. It's the insurance adjusters, they're asking for statements, they're sending you all this paperwork, and you realize pretty quick they are not on your side. Let's be real, their job is to pay out as little as they possibly can.
So here's the bottom line. This isn't just about recovering from an injury anymore. It's about the fight that comes next. This complicated and, frankly, often unfair battle to get the compensation you actually deserve. And you've basically got two ways you can go here. You can try to handle it all yourself, going it alone against insurance adjusters and lawyers who do this every single day, or you can get an advocate in your corner, someone who knows the system inside and out and is ready to fight for you. Okay, so choosing the right advocate is absolutely crucial. And when you're talking about a case in Bridgeport, local experience isn't just a nice to have. It is a powerful advantage that can literally change the outcome. Think about it. A local firm, they have a deep understanding of the exact landscape you're dealing with. They know the Bridgeport Superior Court. They know the local insurance carriers and all their little tactics. And they live and breathe Connecticut's specific personal injury laws. And this right here, this says it all. This isn't just about knowing the law. It's a commitment to giving you personal attention. It means you're not just going to be another case files sitting in a massive pile on someone's desk. Now, an experienced firm also has to be versatile. You want someone with a deep well of expertise across a whole range of personal injury cases, so you know for sure they're ready for whatever unique details your situation throws at them. And this breadth of expertise is so important. Every single one of these areas, from a car crash on I-95 to a slip and fall case, has its own legal quirks. For instance, truck accidents, those often involve federal regulations that just don't apply to a regular car crash. It's a whole different ballgame. You see these big categories, right? Car accidents, workers' comp, but each one is its own little world. A seasoned attorney knows that the proof you need for one is different from the other, and the negotiation tactics that work are totally different too. And that local knowledge we talked about, it doesn't just stop at the Bridgeport city line. A firm that's really rooted in the community serves people all throughout Fairfield and New Haven counties, in towns like Stratford, Trumbull, Fairfield, Derby, and Milford. So, what's the path forward? If you're sitting there feeling completely overwhelmed, just know that taking that first step can be way simpler and a lot less scary than you might be thinking. The whole process is designed to help you, not make things harder. The journey to getting help is built to be as stress-free as possible. It all starts with just a simple, private conversation to hear your story. From there, you'll get a clear-eyed evaluation of your case, which gets rid of all that uncertainty and lets you make a decision you feel good about. That first step is usually a free consultation, and this is a big one. It's a totally no-risk, no-obligation chance for you to just talk things over. You get to review the facts of your case with an experienced attorney and really understand your options, all without any financial pressure. Honestly, the most direct way to get things moving is to just pick up the phone and make the call. You can speak directly with the legal team, not some call center somewhere, and start getting the answers and the help you need. At the end of the day, making this decision is really about changing your focus. It's about putting a tireless, experienced, and local advocate in your corner to handle the whole fight with the insurance companies, so you can put all your energy into the one thing that truly matters: getting better.